of a B minus. Okay, so that's, Bs are good, but there weren't a lot of Bs for all the different marks. So where we did see some Bs, some above average grades, on the strength side, conveying risk to executives and board members, and executive and board level understanding of risks. So that's very important. And earlier in the webinar, and I mentioned that, and this is a reminder for those that just joined, please don't confuse this research study, the Global Cybersecurity Assurance Report Card, with Tenable's Assurance Report Cards, which is a feature of Security Center. So those are excellent report cards for communicating risk to board level, board members and executives. So that's
I'm glad you brought that up, Steve, because I was going to feel obligated to say something on the Security Center Assurance Report Cards on the slide if you hadn't, because that's an excellent way to help raise your grades on those three things on the left side there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and something we're going to revisit towards the end of the presentation when we talk about the road ahead and some key takeaways here and suggestions. So on the positive side in the U.S., communicating with board members is a strength. Measuring the effectiveness of security investments is a strength. But on the weakness side, and a D is a bad grade in the U.S., it's below average, assessing mobile devices for risks. Here we go again with the cloud. Both cloud infrastructure and cloud applications. That's the U.S. 3 countries down, 3 to go. Canada. So on the risk assessment side, scored, they were ranked 3 out of the 6, security assurance 1 out of 6, for an average score of 77%, 2 of 6. So in the U.S., that would be a C+, but depending on where you live in Canada, that would be